Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually cut and paste in Microsoft PowerPoint. So cut and paste is a little bit different in that when I cut and paste something, the original element or slide that I cut from is going to be gone. And when I paste it, that's going to be the only instance of it. Whereas copy and paste is just going to create a duplicate. So let's say that we actually want to cut and paste, our title here on our intro page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole element. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select either the scissors, or I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit cut. Or I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, which is my preferred way of doing it, which is Control X. So once I do that, it just brings this filler text. It says presentation title. We don't need that, so I'll just delete it. And now it's just waiting on me to paste it. So once I'm ready to paste the element that I just cut, I'm going to do Control V on my keyboard. You can see it went ahead and brought it back. And then from here, I can go ahead and place it wherever I want. So maybe there's something on this. It wasn't the best example, because maybe there was something on this slide that I wanted to go ahead and delete from this slide and then move to another. Cut and paste would be a perfect perfect tool for that, because it'd be removing it from the original and then it would just be applying it to the next slide that I decided to apply it to. And if you want to go ahead and cut and paste multiple elements, what you need to do is you just have to go ahead and select them. So I'll go ahead and select this one here. I'll hold Control. I'll select this one over here. Maybe I want to go ahead and select this image. I'll do Control, select this one over here, then hit Control X. And you can see they're all now gone. And then if I want to bring it back, I can either undo my change, or I can just do Control V and bring everything back. But now everything's, kind of overlaid and looks goofy. So that is actually how you're able to cut and paste in Microsoft PowerPoint.